Well, the Indian Army has launched the first of its kind community radio station in North Kashmir's Sopore town. With the tagline Radio Chinar 90.4 Har Dil Ki Dhadkan, the radio station was inaugurated by the General Officer Commanding of the Chinar Corps, Lieutenant General B.S. Raju. Now, the reach of the community radio station will be Sopore, Bandipur and Baramulla districts. My colleague Zeenat gets you the details.
नॉर्थ कश्मीर का पहला रेडियो स्टेशन है रेडियो चिनार 90.4.
In a bid to reach out to the youth of Jammu and Kashmir, the Indian Army launched its first of its kind community radio station in North Kashmir's Sopore town. The radio station was inaugurated by General Officer Lieutenant General B.S. Raju. The reach of the community radio station will be in Sopore, Bandipora and the Baramulla districts of North Kashmir.
I think we are seeing a very stable environment. I have said this earlier that all parameters of violence have come down, whether it is stone pelting or agitations or bandh calls. I think the people in the valley are looking forward to more peace. They want to get the dividends of the change in the environment that is taking place. Even the COVID has come under some control. I see a lot of economic activity taking place. I see a large number of tourists coming into the valley. I think we are all moving in the right direction.
This community radio station has been started with an aim to revitalize the connect within different segments of the community.
इनिशिएटिव इज़ ग्रेट बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे रेडियो एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो डायरेक्टली लोगों के दिल तक जाती है और जब हम रेडियो के थ्रू साउंड वेव्स के थ्रू लोगों के दिल तक उनके घरों तक जाते हैं और उनको एंटरटेन करते हैं तो हमें भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
तो हमारे व्यूअर्स को आज क्या सुनाएंगे?
व्यूअर्स को बहुत सा सुपर कूल म्यूज़िक सुनाने वाले हैं. अभी एक गाना चल रहा है, ये वो फ़िलहाल एंजॉय कर लें. इट्स समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी नाइस सूदिंग म्यूज़िक है और हमें ये उम्मीद है कि लोग इसको पसंद कर रहे होंगे.
So the army is selling music in North Kashmir, inaugurated by Lieutenant General B.S. Raju. Not only this studio is generating employment for the locals in Kashmir, but at the same time, this was a long-pending demand coming from the people of North Kashmir.
The radio station provides a platform for people of all age groups to share their experiences and also to spread awareness about drug abuse and other social causes.
So how has it been experienced working with the Indian Army?
So it's not basically about Indian Army, it's about working for a radio station more than Indian Army. So as far as the content is concerned, we play songs, we entertain people, and that's it we do. So it's obvious, if army builds a bridge for people, it's not only army convoy goes through, so civilians also travel through the bridge. So it's a medium to entertain people, because what I was told that Sopore, it don't have a radio station of your own, and they have created one for the people to get people entertained, and as an RJ, I joined the radio.
So what kind of music you usually play, and what are usually the demands coming from the population?
So talking about people, yet there has been an interaction. We interact through mails with the people mostly, and as far as the Radio Chinar is concerned, we play all types of music, keeping in view like from old to the youngsters and from youth to the for every gender actually, and we play music in such a way that they should feel it. They should feel it in a way that we are playing for them. We are talking to them individually.
The community radio station will be available on all social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube and internet radio, so as to provide uninterrupted service to a wider audience.
As a part of its youth outreach program, today Indian Army inaugurated one more community radio station here in Sopore. If I talk about the radio station, it is going to sell music, it's going to entertain people, and the reach of this radio station will be like, it will be covering not only Vatlab, Sopore, Dalina, that comes in Baramulla, it goes to Patan, Manasbal, then again the Zanakot and the Bandipora. So you see that the much area apart from the Sopore will be covered by this radio station, and all other things that are there in the radio station. This is the board that talks about it. And if you remember, just 6 months before, there was also a radio station, the Chinar radio station, the community radio station that was inaugurated by Lieutenant General B.S. Raju in Anantnag that time. That station also covered more than 25 kilometers. And if we talk about it, has been, as said, the dream project of Lieutenant General B.S.